guys, welcome back to my channel for my Christmas 2018 Decorate With Me. I'm so excited that it's finally time to decorate, and yes, I decorate early, but I just like to have as much Christmas as long as I possibly can. I'm starting by just taking everything out, kind of laying it in different areas so I can see everything at once. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, and I hope you enjoy. Our first casualty of the Christmas season. My favorite Merry Christmas sign broke, and honestly I shouldn't be so attached to my things because they're not too expensive of pieces, but everything is just so sentimental to me.
Let's go outside, the snow is falling down and every child is having so much fun. The snowman is twice the size as me, with a smile as quirky as mine. We're holding hands to keep each other warm while we stand and watch a choir performing all the Christmas songs that we love. Yeah, all the Christmas songs that we love. And in a while we're gonna
I never do the exact same decorations in the same spot every year, but I always start with my mantle every Christmas because that's really the centerpiece of my living room, and honestly I feel like that's the spot of the house I'm looking at the most because of the TV. So as you will see throughout this video, my husband and I will try different things, but luckily our first setup on the mantle really worked for me, and I love that it's more simple. But throughout this video you will notice how we will try putting the same things in different locations and trying out different things, and it's actually quite funny when we're arguing about what to put where.
Making plans of what we're gonna do. I feel so blessed that I can be with you, 'cause God knows that I've been longing for you. I just wanna hold you close. You know the stars are shining just for you. Let's take a walk and we can follow the moonlight till we reach a place we can stay. Maybe kiss a bit and dream away. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire, 'cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. Ooh, and in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire, 'cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. Love and so beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a
as you can see here, I'm kind of just winging it with the blankets. I've seen people put them at the bottoms to the back, and I've seen them have the bottoms like I'm doing them. I'm not actually sure how this is supposed to go, but let me know in the comments if I'm even doing the blankets on this ladder correctly. This was the absolute best part of decorating. We tried so many combinations with different trees, and my husband just was not pleased. And if he was pleased, I was not pleased. Comment down below your favorite combination of these trees. I think I like the way that I ended up leaving them with the 2 green, but let me guys know what you think.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Good tidings we bring to you and your kin. Good tidings for Christmas and a Happy New Year. Oh, bring us some figgy pudding. Oh, bring us some figgy pudding. Oh, bring us some figgy pudding and a cup of good cheer. We won't go until we get some. We won't go until we get some. We won't go until we get some. So bring some out here. Good tidings we bring to you and your kin. Good tidings for Christmas and a Happy New Year. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
That's going to be all for this video, you guys. Obviously, I've only done a small part of my living room, but this video would be a million years long if I continue to decorate the rest of my living room and my kitchen and the first floor of my house. So make sure you're subscribed to my channel so you don't miss any of my future Christmas decor decorating videos for this Christmas 2018. And thank you guys so much for watching.